Well guys, back with another video. Promise y'all I was gonna get back on this YouTube thing, and I have. So today's video, I'm just gonna finish taking the motor out and just cleaning up the car, because like I said, it just looks a mess right now. I don't want to do any type of work. I don't want to bolt any new parts on the car. I don't want to do anything, that has anything to do with putting new parts in the car with it being dirty as it is right now. So I'm gonna finish taking the motor out and clean the car, and yeah, let's get this thing going. I have to be at a client's house to work on a car in about 3 hours, so try to knock this out as soon as I can. Yeah, enough of me talking. Let's get all right, boys. So I got the motor out the car, and man, I knew the motor was bad, but I didn't think it was this bad. Like, it's bad. It's really bad. And JB Weld won't fix this one. Yeah, this motor is trash. The only thing I could save is just 3 pistons, and I don't even know if that's worth it, because I could probably just find TSX pistons if I ever wanted to, for some reason, go with TSX pistons. I could just find them online on eBay for dirt cheap, or I can just sell the ones, the 3 that I do have on eBay. I can sell them without the rods. But yeah, this motor is done. It's worse than I thought. I thought at least the block could be saved, because from what I did see, it put a hole through the oil pan, but it put a hole through the block too, behind the water housing, the water pump housing. So yeah, this is a complete loss. So there won't be no rebuild on this motor at all, and I'll show you guys right now. So just to begin with the carnage, this fell out the bottom of the block when I took the motor out the car. That's definitely part of the rod, connecting rod. I do not know how the connecting rod exploded, came apart, broken in half, whatever you want to call it. I don't know how it happened, and the car is completely stopped. I didn't spray any nitrous. Like I said, I didn't even beat on the car. It completely snapped. See if I can focus. It completely snapped this bolt. Like, this is insane. It twisted the bottom portion of the connecting rod. Like, it completely twisted it. Like, that's crazy. And if you look in there, there's still another part of the rod in there. The crankshaft is completely done. Wouldn't even waste my time taking that to a machine shop. Yeah, complete loss. There's no saving this. This is a junk motor. Like I said, I could save the 3 pistons, 1, 2, and 3. I could save those, but that one's no good, no bueno. Yeah, this is a complete loss. There's no putting this motor back in anything. It's a bittersweet moment. I'm kind of glad it happened, because I was having issues with these. Like, I kept getting strip bolts and shit. It was annoying. It broke the oil pump completely in half. It cracked it in multiple spots. So I lost the oil pump as well. Sorry. I think I'm getting a little sick, but yeah, complete loss. I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning the car up now. I'm more worried about cleaning the car than the motor anyway. So there you have it. Blown up K24 with 90,000 miles. Do not know how it happened. I mean, this thing came apart like I was putting 1,000 horsepower to it. So there she is. All right. So I've already started a little bit. I got some awesome spray. You can get this from your local dollar store or whatever. It's like a bathroom cleaner. It's really strong though, and it's starting to peel some of the paint off, which is okay. I'm gonna touch up the paint anyway. So, but yeah, this is really nasty. So before I do anything, I just want to clean up chassis a little bit. Everywhere else in the car is fine. It's just the engine bay. So make it nice again, touch up the paint like I said, put some more clear coat. Maybe a different type of clear coat to make it a little more tough so it doesn't peel. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this, and then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when I'm done cleaning up. Well, there she is, boys. Looking a lot better. A lot better. There's definitely some places that I'm gonna touch up on the paint because it's been sitting for so long. Like, I think this is from E85. Spilled out of the when I was filling it up at the gas pump. It overfilled, but looks a lot better, man. I always like to try to work in a clean environment. I don't like to work with a bunch of dirt and grime around me. I don't know, it's what I prefer, an OCD kind of thing. But yeah, looking a lot better. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and close out on this video. Next video, I just plan to work on the wiring. As y'all can see, it's spaghetti. It's a mess. The wiring, I had it nice at one point as well. When I was going through what the misfire was, I actually, I don't know if I ever explained that. So when I had the misfire for like 6 months or more, I had the firing order wrong. So I had the wires just all mixed for the coil packs. And that was what was causing the misfire. So got that fixed. I went through the whole harness like twice, so that's why it looks the way it looks. Like I said, it did look nice at one point, but things happened. I had to take it apart and figure out what the hell was going on. Yeah. In the next video, that will be the case. I will be working on the wiring, just cleaning up the car. Just want to make it look presentable. I'm very humble. I'm not aiming for this car to be a show car and a race car. I'm not trying to have the cleanest 4-door in America. Like, that's not the case. It's spray painted, as some of you know. If you're new here, you don't know that. The car is spray painted. I did it myself. Yeah, like I said, I'm not going for looks. I just want the car to look clean. Yeah, because I do have nice things in the car. I got fuel tech, I got XYZ. So I would love for it to at least look clean, not like just some sleeper, some beat up 4-door. I don't want it to look beat up. I want it to be presentable in some way. So yeah, I'm more focused on performance. If I can get a 10-second pass out of this car, that's the goal I want to meet. With this setup, no LSD, open diff, stock motor, 150 shot nitrous, on fuel tech, maybe traction control. I want to run 10 seconds. A 10.9 or a 10.8 is my goal with this setup. Later on, I plan to go all-wheel drive turbo and 8-7 second passes. Yeah, that's down the road. A year or two from now, 2-3 years from now, that's the plan. Right now, simple 10-second street car. That's my goal. With the 2420, I plan to make 250 to 260 horsepower and 400 horsepower on the nitrous. It is 150 shots, so I should make, high 300 horsepower or right at 400. So I think that's enough to run 10s. The car is not on the heavier side. It's a DX model, so everything is manual windows and no sunroof. So yeah, I think if I lighten the car even more, put some Lexan on the back windows and cut the doors and whatnot, I think we can run a 10-second pass for sure. Yeah, but that's gonna do it for this video. I have to get going. I just kicked ass on my own car, so now I gotta go and work on a customer's car. That's what I do nowadays. I am now officially my own businessman. I own my own company. I'm a mobile mechanic, so I come to whoever, you know, calls me. That's what I do. That's how I make my funds to fund these kind of things that I post on my channel. So thank y'all for watching. Catch y'all in the next video.